Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The military strength of the Kauravs was like an ocean in which there dwelled many invincible existences, and thus it was insurmountable. But because of his friendship, I, seated on the chariot, was able to cross over it. And only by his grace was I able to regain the cows, and also collect by force many helmets of the kings which were bedecked with jewels that were sources of all brilliance. On the Kaurav side there were many stalwart commanders like Bhisham, Dron, Kripa and Karn, and their military strength was as insurmountable as the great ocean. And yet it was due to Lord Krishna's grace that Arjun alone, sitting on the chariot, could manage to vanish them one after another without difficulty. There were many changes of commanders on the other side, but on the Pandav side, Arjun alone on the chariot, driven by Lord Krishna, could manage the whole responsibility of the great war. Similarly, when the Pandavas were living at the palace of Virat incognito, the Kauravs picked a quarrel with King Virat and decided to take away his large number of cows. While they were taking away the cows, Arjun fought with them incognito and was able to regain the cows along with some booty taken by force, the jewels set on the turbans of the royal order. Arjun remembered that all this was possible by the grace of the Lord.